How to build an email in HighLevel. Hey there, my name is Kerry Knoll. In this particular video, I'm going to answer this question by answering the following three questions. Question number one, how to use email templates in HighLevel. Question number two, how to build an email template in HighLevel. And question number three, how to just write emails from scratch in HighLevel. So we're going to hop out of here and into my HighLevel demo account, and over here in my demo account, first thing you can do is go into marketing, and then under marketing we have emails, and then we have campaigns or templates. So we can click on templates, and from templates we can click on new, and then we can create template from existing campaign. We can look at the email marketing templates, we can make a blank template, or we can import an email. So let's look at email marketing templates. So these are all the different templates that HighLevel has to offer, which is quite vast in a lot of different niches and industries. And so you can see all the categories listed on the left-hand side. You can expand that list, and not every niche is listed here, by the way. This is just some of the more popular ones. So if you don't see your niche or industry listed, just search for it, and you'll likely see a variation of whatever you're looking for. And then, of course, at the very top, we have all templates, my templates, shared with me, system templates. And then we have tags to also look at them. So if you want to use any one of these for any reason whatsoever, let's say we're doing a marketing agency template, we click on marketing agency and we look at some of these and we're thinking, oh, some of these look okay, or maybe at least it's a good starting point to kind of speed up your process for creating a particular email template. You could then preview it, and like this one, and it'll show you the email more in depth, a little bit easier to see everything it includes. And if you like it, you can click continue, and it'll add the template. It'll grab all the information it needs for it to build out your new email template. And then from here you can do all sorts of extra edits to it, change it any way you want. You can add, remove sections, move sections around, add additional elements, whatever the case may be, give it a different name. And then of course you can save the template. You have these three dots here to test the email, to see what it looks like, preview the template, see version history, and then of course there's some settings like the from name, from email, subject line, preview text. You can set all that up as well. You can do things like appearance here. You can change the template background color, you can change the button, the divider, custom CSS, mobile formatting link. You have the different elements where you're managing them, how it's built out on the page. So you can look at these different sections into columns, into whatever the case may be, an image in this one. You can turn on and off all those things, like so you can add any additional elements you might be missing or want to add to this particular template. Again, when you're happy with it, you just click Save Template, and it's saved. And when we go back, that's one way of building out an email in HighLevel. The second way would be to click New and create from a blank template. If I do that, then it brings up this dialog where I can use Design Editor, or the Code Editor, or the Plain Text Editor. Typically, it just really depends on what you want to do, but each have their own pluses and minuses. Code Editor is kind of the standard. Design Editor is what we just were kind of looking at. So if we go to Code Editor, let's see how this one looks. It's probably going to look very similar, but we have all the code here on the side and our preview on the right, which is nice. But if you're not much into coding, you don't want to code, this is not the way I would go. So let's go back out, and then another opportunity would be to click on the button here, click on blank template again. Again, the design editor is going to look exactly the same as what we looked at with the template, but it's going to have nothing in it. It's basically blank, right? Starting from scratch. Okay, and then the other opportunity or option would be to click on this blank template. We could use the plain text editor, which also is going to be very simplistic. It's basically just like this. You're just going to write text out, save the template. Okay. And then the way to write from scratch, where you're not using any templates whatsoever, you would go into automation, You'd create a new automation to send email, so you might start from scratch. And then you would click the plus button, type in email, and then from here, send email would give you the opportunity to just write an email, basically like the plain text editor, where you have some formatting options, which is pretty strong in itself. Or if you did have a template set up, you could select one of your templates and provide that template here in this email instead of writing it from scratch. But typically in the workflows, I tend to use no templates, and I tend to write my messages right inside of here from scratch. All right, as always, I appreciate each and every one of you for showing up to watch this video. And if you have any further questions, please do not hesitate to ask. Just simply leave me a comment below this video, and I'll do my best to answer for you as quickly as possible. Okay, before you go, I want to share with you how you can get access to what I consider the biggest, best, and probably baddest high-level bonus package you'll ever find on the internet, worth darn near, if not over, $14,000. All right, so below this video, you can click on a link that will take you to this page you see in front of you. Once you see this page, you click this black button. This pop-up will pop up. You will enter your name, email address, and phone number. Click this black button, and once you submit your information, you'll be taken over to the high-level bonuses page that explains everything you're going to be receiving. So there's another talking head video of me explaining the benefits to my high-level bonus package. And if you scroll on down, you can see everything that's included, including my high-level insiders flagship mastermind membership program that's absolutely 100% free just by signing up for either Marketing Engines A.I, my SaaS, or through one of my affiliate links for HighLevel itself. So you can get all the information you need about that on this particular page. This program includes high-level masterclass for beginners. So this gives you a series of videos that will teach you everything you need to know about high-level. You will also receive the high-level agency masterclass for beginners. So if you are on the $297 agency plan or better, the Pro or SaaS white label plan, you will also have everything you need to know about configuring the agency and or white label Pro SaaS plan. From there, you're also going to get access to my Marketing Engines AI, various proprietary engines that I am building out in my Marketing Engines AI SaaS. You can get beta access to these. So the only ones that are going to be getting access to these before Marketing Engines AI actually officially launches on 5/25/25 are those who sign up through my affiliate link or Marketing Engines AI at this point as beta access users. So you're going to get access to the AI appointment booking engine, the AI birthday celebration engine, the AI sales funnel website engine, the AI lead alert engine, the AI reputation review engine, the AI customer referral engine, plus there's going to be several more of these engines added to Marketing Engines AI platform in the coming weeks and months ahead. On top of that, you're also going to get access to the foundation workshops. Now, the foundation workshops are built out to help you grasp the order of operations that are necessary in order to be proficient and be able to build things out in a timely manner for yourself and or your clients. So week number 1, we start with custom fields and custom values. Week number 2, we talk about forms and surveys. Week number 3, we talk about calendars. Week number 4, we talk about pipelines and opportunities. Week number 5, we talk about email services. Week number 6, we talk about phone numbers with the A2P 10 DLC compliance and application process. Week 7, we talk about payments and invoices. Week number 8, workflows and automations. Week number 9, funnels and websites. Week number 10, trigger links and URL redirects. Week number 11, contacts, lists, and tags. Week number 12, conversations and conversation AI. Week 13, Google reviews and reviews AI. And week 14, communities and memberships, with more to come after that. You'll also be receiving Marketing Engine workshops, specifically geared towards helping you fully understand each one of those aforementioned Marketing Engines AI engines that you're going to get beta access to. So reputation management service workshop, the customer referral service workshop, the birthday marketing service workshop, etc. You'll also get access to weekly live Q&A calls, so you get a chance to get all of your questions answered, and we'll keep you up to date with the latest tools, resources, strategies, tactics, and processes that you need in order to be successful with HighLevel. There's also a private community where you can mastermind with and get the support of a select group of like-minded individuals that are as committed to building their business as much as you are. And if you keep on going, you can read some testimonials, and I'll even tell you exactly how to cancel. You can cancel at any time, 24/7, 365, 366 if it's a leap year, and you can even cancel while you're on the pot. So I show you step by step on how to cancel your account if HighLevel is not right for you, or Marketing Engines AI. So again, this total bonus value is $14,099 and counting. I'm sure it'll be increasing as I develop and launch additional engines. And if you have any questions regarding what's all included in the bonus package or HighLevel Insiders, I have a frequently asked questions area that you can pretty much get all the answers to your questions there. However, if you have additional questions, feel free to reach out and I'll do my best to answer them for you. All right, once you've decided to sign up through my HighLevel link or through Marketing Engines AI, either one on this particular page, you will click one of these black buttons. Once you do that, it'll say try HighLevel now for free, and you will get a chance to either sign up for Marketing Engines AI, which I will give you a 30-day trial of it. So I give you a little better option than just signing up for HighLevel, where you can only get a 14-day trial. However, if you're not interested in signing up for Marketing Engines AI for whatever reason, and yet you want to get started with HighLevel, try it out, you can start your 14-day free trial of HighLevel on the starter agency plan by clicking this link. If you have already started a trial through another affiliate, but you have not yet paid, so you're still in the trial period, you can extend your free trial of HighLevel starter agency plan by clicking on this link. If you want, you can start your 30-day, I'm sorry, this is actually a typo. You can start your 14-day trial of HighLevel Pro SaaS plan by clicking this link. And the best news is, even if you already have HighLevel through someone else and you're paying month to month or what have you, you can upgrade to the HighLevel agency plan from the starter plan. Let's say you're on the starter plan and you want to move up to the agency plan, you can upgrade here and still get access to all my bonuses, including HighLevel Insiders. You can also upgrade to the HighLevel Pro SaaS plan, which is the white label plan, by clicking on this link, or you can purchase or upgrade to the HighLevel annual plan by using this last link. If you choose to upgrade to the white label Pro SaaS plan, then you will click on this link and it will take you over to this page here where it says upgrade to HighLevel Pro today. You will have to input the agency relationship number, which you can find right here, agency code. So you just copy and paste this in. And then of course you can use my code ZZYYZZX as well. And then if you are interested in only starting your 14-day free trial of the HighLevel Pro SaaS plan, and you click that link, it'll take you over here where you can see everything you're getting, and click on start a free trial of the Pro SaaS plan today. All right, so that's everything that's included inside of my HighLevel bonus package. So just pick the option that works best for you, depending on your situation. If you have any questions about this, please let me know. You can either leave me a comment below the video, or if you know how to get in touch with me otherwise, you can send me a message via one of those other options. I'll do my best to get back to you in a timely manner. Thank you so much, and I look forward to helping you learn and advance your skill set with HighLevel inside of HighLevel Insiders. I can't wait for you to join us. Hope you have a good one. We'll speak with you real soon.